At voestalpine Railway Systems, we no longer deliver just the physical asset. We deliver it with a digital touchpoint, containing a unique identifier based on the GS1 standard, to combine the physical asset with its digital twin.
Serialization is understood as a unique component identifier. What counts? It counts reliability, availability, maintainability at the end, followed by safety and security. That means, of course, a single source of truth is needed, and based on the single source of truth, serialization becomes more and more important. Serialization as well enables precise tracking of each component's condition, history and life limits, allowing targeted, efficient and safety-critical maintenance instead of generic and costly fleet-wide actions. It enables seamless data exchange over the whole lifecycle phases, from requirement to delivery to end of lifecycle. That means across engineering, production, maintenance and operation systems.
Serialization ensures full lifecycle tracking. Scanning the digital touchpoint is quick and efficient. Each tag features a data matrix code that links directly to the zentrak customer portal, where operators can gain a holistic overview of all delivered voestalpine Railway Systems products, regardless of which voestalpine plant supplied them.
The zentrak customer portal provides operators with a single source of truth, secured, centralized and standardized access to all asset and maintenance data. It's enabling faster processes, improved communication, comprehensive documentation access, and instant on-site information retrieval via digital touchpoints, as you see here.
The zentrak customer portal offers a central platform for all asset and component data, including maintenance recommendations, enabling faster access, streamlined processes, and secure personalized logins. The zentrak customer portal is available as both a web application and an app, ensuring access anytime and anywhere.
voestalpine, one step ahead.